Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix invalid SSL certificate error code 526. Alright, let's begin. First solution is clearing browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, then select third-party cookies and site data. Search the affected website and delete stored data to remove corrupted files. Next, disable browser extensions that may interfere with SSL verification. Turn off all extensions and reload the page to check if the error is fixed. If the issue continues, use a VPN because the error may be caused by regional restrictions or blocked routes. Connect to a different server location and refresh the website. If nothing works, switch your browser. Try alternatives browsers, for example, Opera, since SSL configuration issues can be browser-specific. After changing, revisit the website that was not working and check if it's working again. So that's basically how you can fix invalid SSL certificate error code 526. That's it for this video. Thanks.